Imagine a world where your next great idea is hidden in the masterpiece you admire. Steal Like an Artist by Austin KLEON unravels the mystery of creativity in the modern world. Have you ever felt the pressure to be entirely original? KLEON debunks this myth, revealing that all creative work builds on what came before, what shapes your taste in art. KLEON encourages embracing influences, as understanding what resonates with you is the first step in discovering your own creative voice. Ever heard the saying, good artists copy, great artists steal? KLEON redefines this, showing how artists remix influences to create something new and unique. KLEON demystifies the creative process. It's not about waiting for inspiration, but about getting your hands dirty and learning through doing. Curiosity fuels creativity. KLEON suggests a scavenger hunt approach, gathering bits of inspiration and ideas from everywhere to spark your own creativity. You're not an island. KLEON highlights the importance of sharing your work and ideas, creating a community that nurtures creative growth. Creativity requires patience. KLEON advises to keep showing up, doing the work, and trusting the process, as great ideas take time to blossom. Embrace boredom. In a world of constant stimulation, KLEON suggests that moments of boredom are essential for creative minds to wander and invent. Side projects aren't distractions, they're discoveries. KLEON champions the power of hobbies to unlock new ideas and perspectives in your main work. Observe the world like an artist. KLEON encourages a keen eye for detail, finding inspiration in the mundane and everyday life. Your uniqueness is your strength. KLEON inspires to embrace what makes you different, as that's where your true creative potential lies. Key takeaway 1. Creativity is remixing. Build on existing ideas to make them your own. Key takeaway 2. Share your work and ideas. Community fosters creativity. Steal Like an Artist isn't just a guide, it's a permission slip to be creatively free, reminding us that in art everything is a remix.